Hey, welcome to math, 6th grade, page 675 and 673. Okay, sorry I had to make one. This copy's kind of blurry, but I did a first lesson and it didn't work. Okay, so it got deleted, it didn't download, I wasn't recording, so I had to make a copy, and the copy's not too clear. But just have page 673 and 675 out so we can get working on math today. Some things you're going to need to know, okay? We are doing areas of kites and trapezoids today. They can each be broken down into triangles and a rectangle. This kite is all triangles. Okay, so it has 4 triangles. You have to find the area of each and then add them up. You have to find the area of A triangle and B triangle and then add it to the area of C. So you'll find the area of all these shapes and then you'll add them up to find your areas today. Remember area formulas. Okay, triangle is base times height divided by 2. Rectangle is base times height to get your area for rectangle, or length times width. Okay, that's the same thing. Base times height and length times width are equal. So on 675, okay, I like to redraw it out just to have a little more room to write. Okay, this says it's 5 and 5. This is 8 centimeters and this is 2. Okay, so the area of this rectangle is 5 times 2, which is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So each of these is 5. The base times the height of this kite is 5 times 8. That's 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. This is 20. Okay, so 20 plus 20. 5 and 5 make 10 plus 10. My area is 50 centimeters squared. I'm not going to mess you guys up with decimals, so we're not going to look at number 2. Okay, number 3. It's 4, 4, and 2, and then this one's 12. 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 2. This is 4. So this one is 4 and 2 is 8 divided by 2. That one's 4 also. Okay, because the base is 4 times the height is 2. 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 2. That equals 4. 4 times 12, because the base is here. 4 times 12 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So each of these are 24 and 24. Okay, so 24 plus 24, 4 and 4 make 8. Okay, I get 56 meters squared. Okay, so here we have a trapezoid. Okay, gives us 2. The whole length is 15. The height is 6. This is 10. Okay, so you have to know that this top is 10. That means this dotted line to this dotted line is 10. Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12. I have 12 used out of the 15. I know I have 3 left. So this missing base over here is 3. My height is the same because it's straight across. Okay, the height of this is still 6, just like that is. So it's 6. Base times height is 3 times 6 is 18, divided by 2 is 9. 2 times 6 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. And then I have to figure out my base times my height, or length times my width. 10 times 6 is 60. 60, 6 and 9 make 15. It's 75. I just have to add my areas up at the end. 75 inches squared. Okay, we have another kite. 8 and 8, 5 and 9. Okay, 8 times 5, base times height is 40, divided by 2 is 20. Each of those are 20. Okay, then we have to do the base and the height. Okay, 8 times 9 is 72. Divided by 2 is 36. So each of these is 36. Okay, add them together. Okay, 36, 36, 20 and 20 make 40. I have 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 112 feet squared. Okay, my last one is a trapezoid. Okay, my height is 9, my base is 5, the length of the whole base is 24. Okay, the top part is 13. So you have to envision that this top part is 13. Okay, where this one comes down, this is 13. So 13 and 5, that makes 18. I take 18 away from here, I'm left with 6. Okay, so this distance that's missing is 6. 6 and 5 is 11. 11 plus 13 gets me back to my 24, which is all the way across. 5 times 9. Base times height is 45. 45 divided by 2 equals 22 and a half. 9 times 13 for length times width is 117. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Okay, so now I have to add all these up. 117 plus 27. Don't forget my decimal, 22.5. Make sure you line your decimals up when you add. 5, 14, 15, 16. 5, 6. Okay, 166.5. 166 and 5/10 millimeters squared. Okay, you have to envision that, find that missing number by adding these two together. Okay, to find your missing link, and just do the triangles and rectangles. Okay, remember your formulas for your triangle and your rectangles are right here. Your homework assignment is not this page, it's page 673. Okay, 673. You're going to do 3 through 8. You only have one problem on the back. Okay, I didn't want to be too rude to you. Got to throw a little bit in here. And go Chiefs, don't forget about that. Hey, got a good draft pick. Hey, they're coming for you. Got a good running back looking at it. Okay, go Chiefs. Broncos and Cowboys. Cowboys did a good wide receiver and OU guy. CD. Good luck on your math.